Hi, it's your girl HettyAmens. You know what it is. Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. It's your girl HettyAmens. You know what it is. So it's a beautiful Sunday morning and we're wrapping up for church. So today I'm styling my sister's hair, and then all we need for this is eco styling gel, your brush, some hair bands, our ponytail, some brushes, and some holding spray. Okay, so let's get started. This is a freshly washed hair. I will then take my Vatika coconut oil and then just smoothing the hair up with this, and then the end, so we avoid little flyaways. We comb through the hair, we smoothing everything because we are doing a pony. And then for this particular video we are doing high ponytail with afro curly hair. So the afro attachment we're going to use for this hair is by my company. Okay, so we have this in stock that we are selling, so you can contact us and it is easy to install. So at this end we just tie the hair in pony. You can tie it any level that you want. You can do a low ponytail or a high ponytail. So this time I'm doing a high ponytail, smoothing everything around, and then I'm taking another rubber band to wrap it the second time to make it even tighter. But ask the kid or ask the person you are doing to see if it is tighter or it hurts them. I asked her and she said it's okay. So for the ends or the rest of the hair, you just tie it in three. You make, is it three? Okay, yes. You just braid it and then also wrap it around, make it smooth for ponytail installation. Okay, so this is where we use our eco styling gel. I ordered this from Amazon, and this, I love it, guys. Like, it doesn't flake. I can use this for like a week and I will still have that sleek ponytail. Okay, so something simple for those of you guys, you have kids and you don't have time to wrap up for church or any event. You can even take this to weddings, ceremonies, any event. This is quick and it costs less. So I'm using the styling gel, eco styling gel, to smoothing everything up. You don't have to add water to the hair before. Just use it as dry as that and you're going to have a sleek ponytail with an afro tail. So just watch every step and then you can achieve the same results if you watch it carefully. So try as much as possible to get all the edges in, smoothing everything. So I'm not trying to get some edges out, so we flick and style the edges on point. Okay, so try and get as many or as little hair that you can get out of the pony. Then you style them, you lay the edges right. That way the pony looks natural and then the kid looks hairy and all pimped up. You don't need a lot of products, you just need your eco styling gel. I love this styling gel, guys. I also use it on my clients and myself. Okay, so we are in my salon. I have an in-house salon that I work in. So when I'm done, I use my holding spray and then just spray it. So I'm using my hand dryer that I had from Amazon during Black Friday. I had this plus just straightener for 19 euros. Wow. So just dry the hair from an upwards motion. You make an upwards motion, use your hand to smoothen and slick everything out. With this method, I find it's very, very effective, so that by the time you would want to attach the pony, there wouldn't be any flyaway hairs giving you struggle. So a little drying and you are okay. So this ponytail is our afro, or you can call it kinky ponytail, that we sell in our shop. The 100% machine sewn by us. You can contact us in the numbers on the screen or in our description box and get yours. So this thing comes with two combs, one on top, one at the down. So the first one, you pin the top. You can place it as high or as low as you want. Attach it to the hair, and then she turns around, and then we attack the other end there. Okay, so it comes with elastic strings that you can pull to tighten and then tie it around when you are done. With this, it is secured. You can jump. Just kids like to play, and this is really secure. Just wrap it around and get some pins and hold it in place. Okay, so voila, we are done. You now have to fluff the hair and then make it look as natural, as voluminous as you want. If the ponytail is too much or a lot for you, go ahead, get some scissors and then trim some parts off, and then any flyaway hairs that you see around, try and neaten it up so you have that fresh and fluffy natural look. As I'm doing, I wanted her to have this big afro look hair. So go ahead, if you want to have a bit smaller, you can shape it. Feel free, style it the way you want. So when we are done, I'm using my olive oil sheen spray to add some shine. And voila, your girl is looking beautiful, simple. We did this in less than a few minutes. So thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. So it's your girl HettyAmens. You know what it is. Okay, so if you want to follow me on Instagram at HettyAmens and on Facebook at Hetty's Beauty Parlor. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. We will soon hit 1K. Like, I can't wait to see that day. Many giveaways coming. We sell 100% machine sewn wigs. You can contact us and then you will get yours. So little girl popping, and this is her before and these pictures are her after. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's your girl HettyAmens. You know what it is. Mwah.